Right now we are going on Měděnec. Měděnec. We're gonna see something amazing. Nějaký. Wow. Not even reach the mountain. Sounds.
Wow. Tak to jo. It's going
Very good, man. It's incredible. Like the view of the. It's now.
Jsou tam ocelový traverzy.
What do you think? Do you think Czech Republic is ugly or beautiful? Write comment below. And now we're gonna go up the hill with my friend Ondra. Czech Republic.
Okay.
I like his bird, you know. It's like a bird. Yeah. Let's go.
Lubomír climbing a mountain.
If you like this video, if you like the nature, me, my friend, and you want to support us, subscribe or like or express yourself, whatever. Enjoy. Ciao. Yeah, we're going to pray once a while.
To the top.
To the top. My sins are done. Cured. Okay, look good. So this video is also marketing for the beautiful car. I think somebody left it here, and you can see it has a wheel, like the steering wheel, and it has something special, you know, inside. It has a. This is kind of typical symbol for Czech.
Gangsters.
I don't know how to say it in polite. And the engine, you know, you can see the sound. Can you hear it? And yeah, that's it. Okay, this is the extra for the video. Okay, if you want the car, right below, I send you the location, or maybe police phone.